how you saw this expression?
So I looked at both sides of the equation, and then I kind of started out by just circling one, and then I saw that there was 2 and 3 and 4 under that, and then I saw the leftover cups.
And how did you see that?
It was gradually adding one, and then once I got the 1, 2, 3, and 4, I saw that there was a 3, 2, and 1 left over.
And how is this, so someone else raise your hand. How is this compared? How is this the same? How is this different than the one we just saw here with Sophia's? So let's make a connection. So look at what Sophia did, and then we're looking here at what Bennett did. So how are those the same? How are those different?
So how I see they're different is because if you go to the top one, they're both split into the same type of way. One side has that equation, and the other side has the 1, 2, 3, and 4 equation, and you split them both. But one about Bennett is he just did all of them as one, which as Sophia, she split up the groups into like 1, 2, and 3, when he just had all of them as like one.
Jake, what do you want to add?
I saw how Bennett did it in he saw it in lines, and then Sophia saw it the other way in lines. So they were looking at it differently. I could tell that from just looking at it.
Bennett used it vertical columns, right? And Sophia used it in rows. Did this person do rows or columns?
No.
No, how did they do it?
All over the place.
They did it in chunks, but do they still have the parts?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But what if I was looking at this and I wanted you to see 4 times 4? So we've talked about multiplication before, and what does multiplication mean? So I want you to see, how can you see 4 times 4? When we're looking at this, how can you see these?
I saw 4 times 4 as 4 groups of 4. So it's basically 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 16. So they all get combined together.
And so when you found it, you found it like you had it just chunks into groups of 4.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, thank you.
I saw 4 going up the side, and then I found another 4 like right next to it, and then I found the other 2, and I realized that they're all 4, so there had to be 4 groups of 4, which is 4 times 4.
So you saw the 4 going up the side, and then explain.
Well, first I saw the top one, so I just added, well, the first one there was 1, and then the 3 down the bottom, which equals 4, and then down there was 4, and then I saw another one, the same on the top, right by the right, down the bottom, and I saw another 4 right there, so.
So Sophia, you saw yours. How did you see it?
I kind of saw it as like groups of triangles, so I saw the 1 on top and then 3 on the bottom, and I noticed that it carried the same pattern through the whole thing, so then I just kind of grouped it.
So again, regardless of how you chunked yours, we ended up in the same answer, and we were able to structure it as 4 groups of 4. But it is fun for us to see, like, oh, you see it differently than me, or you saw it the same as me. That can really make it exciting for us.